Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show how to fix Roblox Error Code 260. Follow my simple rules without skipping, otherwise you will not understand properly. Main points to fix Roblox Error Code are given here. You can follow all of these rules also. Click on Force Stop and click on Storage. Clear cache and clear data. Go back and click on Permission. Make sure that all of these are allowed. Allow notification, turn on. Go back and click on Connections. Turn off Wi-Fi, again turn on. Click on Airplane Mode, turn on and again turn off. Now restart your phone. Now go to Play Store and update your Roblox apps. Click on Play. Now log in your ID and enjoy the game. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel to get more important tech videos. Thank you very much.